Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Jurism, and today I'll teach you dividing fraction. Please like and subscribe, and let's continue with the video. Dividing fractions. If you're dividing fractions, you will have to turn it into multiplication. From division, you have to turn it into multiplication. Then you have to flip the second fraction in the equation like this. So here, 3/4 divided by 3/5. Example right here. 3/4 divided by 3/5. The second fraction is going to be 3/5. And you're going to turn it into multiplication. It will be now 3/4 times 5/3. You may simplify it already, but to make everything clear, I'll do the whole thing. So 3 times 5 is 15, 4 times 3 is 12, and then you have to simplify because this is an improper fraction. This thing will be turned 15, 12 will be turned into 5/4, but it's still not enough, and then you have to change it from 1 and 1/4. So if you watched my third video on multiplying fractions, you'll be able to understand some parts for multiplication. The flipping part for multiplying, that is you can't do that in multiplying fractions. You can only do it in dividing fractions. Simplify when you need to. If simplifying is not enough, then you have to turn it to mixed fraction. Here's an easy way to turn it into a mixed fraction. So 6/5, right? You have to subtract 6 from 5, which will lead you to 1. So 1 is going to be a whole number, and the remaining will be the numerator, or 6. So 1 and 1/5. Okay? Next slide, please. So here are some examples. So 2/4 divided by 2/3. So 2/4 times flip 2/3 will be 3/2, and then multiply it will be 6/8. Simplify because it can still be simplified by 2. So 6 divided by 2 is going to be 3, and 8 divided by 2 is going to be 4. So the answer will be 3/4. Next, here's a second example. 5/6 divided by 5/10. 5/6 times 10, you have to flip 5/10. So magiging 10/5 siya. And it will become 50/30. Okay? You may simplify it now so it will be easier, but I'll do the whole thing so it will be clear. Okay? Clear. 50/30, and then simplify it by 10. It will be 5/3, and then simplify it again. You have to turn it into mixed fraction, then 1 and 2/3. Now let's head on to the questions. Question number 1. 3/4 divided by 3/5. I'll give you 30 seconds, okay? Starting now. Yeah. 15. Last 15 seconds. 17. 30. Are you done? The answer is 1 and 1/4. Oh yeah, you can rewind this video to copy the formulas, the examples. Second question. 15/20 divided by 20/25. I'll give you 30 seconds to solve this one. Starting now. 7. Last 10 seconds. Are you done? The answer is 1516. I hope you learned something new today, guys. Please like and subscribe. Let's see you in the next video. Bye-bye!